All right, so we are back in the forge. I'm gonna do a little hammering on this, but the first thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take a piece of this. I shaped it kind of like a Cybertruck. I'm gonna make a little knife out of it for myself, just for fun. That way I can always say I have the first knife made of Cybertruck steel. Sorry, everybody. So I have to see if I can heat treat this by dunking it in my oil to harden that steel. So I've already done an etch. If you can see, I put this in a little bit of acid and you can very clearly see that dark steel in the middle. That is the high carbon steel jacketed by the Cybertruck steel. You can see right in there that it's all one piece where I didn't put it in the acid. So it's holding up pretty well. But right now, I am going to heat this up and try, keyword try, to get a good heat treatment on it. First, I need to warm my oil up because it's just about freezing out here. Everything's riding on this little piece of steel right here. If this goes well, I'm gonna get very excited. I'm gonna heat that other piece back up, hammer it a little bit flatter by hand, get it nice and, you know, that's about the thickness that I want right there to make a knife. And so, if I do that in the grinding process, I'm gonna grind all the stainless away. So I've gotta hammer it down to the thickness that I want. Let's throw this in there and get this warmed up a little bit. It smells like fried chicken. Sorry guys. Oy. Not the right crowd for that joke. My chickens are over here. Man, it's so, it looks so uniform, like it's one piece. I just don't know how it's gonna react going in there. We're gonna heat this puppy up and we're gonna put it in the oil. Let's see what happens. All right, here goes nothing. I did not hear anything. Come on, baby. Oh no. These opened up. Oh, no. These opened up in the heat and it fell out. How the hell am I gonna get that out of there? Okay, well, in one of the all-time rookie mistakes, I dropped the knife in the oil. This veggie oil is going. Don't get on my gloves. It actually looks like the inside steel shrank up a little bit, and the stainless didn't.